Carbon monoxide, CO monitoring, is an effective tool for reinforcing motivation during quit attempts as well as validating outcomes. Built on over 40 years of experience with the Smokerlyzer range, adapting to remote CO monitoring using the iCOquit couldn't be easier, helping you to continue smoking cessation consultations, maintaining provision of stop smoking medication, and providing remote behavioral support. The iCOquit Smokerlyzer is a portable Bluetooth CO monitor, allowing patients to get vital stop smoking support from the comfort of their home. With the ability to measure CO anytime, anywhere, in conjunction with the free iCOquit app, available from the App Store and Google Play, patients are able to take the breath test over video chat and send their results directly to their stop smoking advisor for instant validation of smoking status and advice. For remote smoking cessation consultations during maternity, the iCOquit Mums2Be app is also available to download for free and can be used with the iCOquit to help expectant mothers quit smoking. Once the patient has downloaded the iCOquit app onto their smartphone, they will need to make an account and log in. To start a new breath test, press the breath test icon and, when prompted, press the power button on the iCOquit once. The LED will flash blue once when the device has connected to the smartphone. As prompted on screen, the patient will be asked to inhale and hold their breath for the 15-second countdown, before slowly exhaling into the iCOquit monitor, aiming to empty their lungs completely. Results will appear immediately on screen using an easy-to-read and motivational traffic light system. These results will automatically be saved, and the patient can share these readings directly with you or their friends and family members. The iCOquit also tracks all CO results over time, allowing you to witness your patient's quit smoking progress in the form of an interactive graph. With the help of the iCOquit Smokerlyzer, you can continue to safely and remotely provide your patients with the best help and advice they need to quit smoking, reach new patients in remote locations, and increase your quit success rate.